Over 50 plus USAT awards and 5 plus years of experience in product launches. High quality, proven and fully featured product that your subscribers will love. Guaranteed reciprocation for everyone. I can easily send 50 to 100 sales on your launch. We've everything you need to make this a super profitable promo for you. Unique product and sales angle. Highly complement funnel and price points to give you those crazy EPCs proven and high quality product. Real life results, real people already using the software. Over $3,000 in JV prizes paid directly through W Plus Wallet, Payoneer, Stripe. You don't need another system that teaches you what to do. You need a machine that actually does it for you. Here's what it does for you. Lets you launch in 5 minutes, no tech setup. AI avatars that sells for you automatically. Converts traffic into leads, sales, and support, automatically. Works with any affiliate link, including Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo. Virtual customized sales room, done for you. Answers any question via knowledge base. Runs 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Introducing world's first 5-minute AI-powered room that turns any affiliate link into a 24/7 sales system, no funnel, no list, no learning curve. Unfair early mover advantage, be the first to use AI rooms, before everyone else catches on. Zero tech overwhelm, no funnels, no autoresponders, just copy, paste, and launch in minutes. AI sells for you, your avatar explains, engages, and converts, even while you sleep. Plug in any link, promote Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Ecom, or your own products or services instantly. Set up in 5 minutes, launch your first room faster than it takes to brew coffee. Works 24/7, let your AI room handle sales and support around the clock. Use anywhere, instantly, share in groups, embed on pages, or send via DMS. Beginner-proof setup, no writing, designing, or editing, just follow 3 simple steps. Build trust on autopilot, your AI avatar answers questions, builds authority, and closes with ease. Built to scale fast, easily spin up new AI rooms to test different offers, bonuses, and niches. One-time launch deal, pay once now, skip the monthly fees coming after this launch. Commercial license included, use it for clients, sell AI rooms as a service, and keep 100% profits. Step 3, share and watch it sell. Click Activate to generate your unique selling room link, share it anywhere and let the avatar pitch, support, and sell for you 24/7. It's that simple. With ClickAgent AI, you're finally free from overpriced tools and underperforming tactics. You'll launch like a pro, even if you've never earned a dime online. One link is all it takes to start getting clicks, building trust, and generating commissions, without writing, designing, or talking to anyone. Front end, $17. Launch a smart AI sales room in 5 minutes. Your avatar talks, explains and closes the sale. Works with Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, and more. No list? No problem, share one link anywhere. Let AI handle sales, support and engagement for you. Realistic human avatars that build instant trust. No scripts or writing required, just paste your link. Choose from multiple roles and use cases instantly. GPT integration for smart, real conversations. Built-in knowledge base to handle objections automatically. Record meetings, demos, or visitor interactions. No hosting or software installations required. Use one room to replace 5+ expensive tools. 10x your results by embedding AI avatar rooms on any page. Runs 24/7 without you, so you can actually take a break. Auto 1, $37. Unlimited AI rooms equals unlimited offers, niches and sales angles. Unlimited session recordings for maximum follow-up power. Unlimited chat history vault that never forgets a sale. Unlimited audio avatars to match every niche and mood. Unlimited AI room embeds for all your sites, blogs, and pages. Run conference-style sales meetings with host camera on. Room subtitles in any language equals global reach. Activate HD video equals watch your avatar sell in stunning clarity. Advanced traffic strategies included, drive unlimited buyers to your room. Auto 2, $37. Create hundreds of viral and engaging, quiz videos in just minutes with a single keyword for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and more. Create multiple choice and this or that quizzes that keep the audience hooked from start to finish. Automatically generate quizzes with AI in just one click. Create from scratch manually or select from 9 presets of top categories. Huge library of pre-made templates to choose from. Unique, generate bulk or multiple quiz videos at once from a single keyword. Auto 3, $37. Create unlimited, AI undetectable, unique, powerful and authentic marketing content, graphics and strategies that stands out, captivate and sell more than ever before. 100% cloud-based software. 75 plus advanced AI models that go way beyond ChatGPT. Proprietary 3C tech formula for maximum results. Generate content in multiple languages. Advanced customization options. Unlimited content creation and publishing. Auto 4, $47. Done for you viral social content package. Get instant content that attracts, engages and blows up your social channels. 1000 swipe dash and post motivational and inspirational content that drives engagement like crazy. 800 viral luxury life videos to attract the money dreamers and grow your audience fast. 500 motivational viral videos ready to inspire, hook and get shares on autopilot. 1000 supercar viral videos to tap into the wealth, speed and dream lifestyle crowd. 1000 DIY art and craft viral videos that entertain and drive relatable engagement. 550 funny pet viral videos to explode shares, likes and follows instantly. 300 relatable viral face videos to showcase real, engaging, shareable content. Auto 5, $127 to $147. Your each client will have access to features of Traffic Bolt AI. 50 to 250 accounts. With our sales material for best conversions. Create accounts for your clients using your reseller dashboard in one click. We'll handle support of your all clients. Low one-time fee during the launch period. Email swipes. Want an easy 4-fig/5-fig promo? Grab these high-converting swipes and make tons of easy sales. Make sure you edit them and give your own unique touch for maximum results. As an affiliate, you're agreed to the following. The new FTC guidelines for affiliate marketing came into effect on December 1, 2009. We take great strides to ensure transparent, vanilla clean marketing. As an affiliate or JV partner, you've read and fully agreed to the terms listed on the official FTC website, https://www.ftc.gov/bcp/guides/guides.html to ensure that your promotions are compliant with the new guidelines. By participating in the launch, you agree that you will adhere to FTC guidelines when promoting our products and services. In addition, you accept that you must follow these guidelines if approved for this affiliate program or any of our future affiliate programs. Doing otherwise may result in you being terminated from the affiliate program and forfeiting any outstanding commissions. Point 1. Do not send spam of any kind. Adfly, traffic monsoon, any of these types of cheap traffic sources are exactly that. Cheap. You will be banned from this and all future offers if you utilize any of these methods. Point 2. Do not use negative words such as scam in any promotional campaign. If we find your advertisement, we will remove your affiliate account from our system. Point 3. Do not offer cash rebates to people who buy through your affiliate link. Point 4. Do not misrepresent the product and offer. You must follow any endorsement rules and regulations that are applicable both in the country where you are based and in the countries from which you are sending website traffic or advertising in. Point 5. As an affiliate, if you purchase the product under your own link, we will void your commissions. Point 6. All prizes will be rewarded via PayPal, Payoneer after the launch closes. Point 7. You must have 100 plus prior confirmed affiliate sales and less than 8% refund rates to qualify for instant commissions.